Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index climbed above the 99 level on Tuesday as investors increased bets that the Federal Reserve will deliver further rate cuts following encouraging inflation data. Core inflation pressures continue to ease, with December core CPI rising just 0.2% below expectations, while annual core inflation held at 2.6%, matching a 4-year low. Rate futures show markets divided over whether the Fed will cut rates 2 or 3 times this year. WTI crude surged nearly 2.5% on Tuesday to $61.23 per barrel, marking a 12-week high as geopolitical risks intensified supply disruption concerns. Investor caution increased after President Trump suspended talks with Iranian officials amid ongoing protests and issued warnings of potential intervention. This followed the recent imposition of a 25% tariff on Iran-related goods, heightening fears of regional supply instability. Spot gold traded near $4,590 on Tuesday after hitting a fresh record high of $4,630.30. Safe haven demand surged amid uncertainty surrounding the Trump administration's criminal investigation into Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Expectations of further Fed rate cuts later this year have also strengthened demand for non-yielding assets like gold. Ongoing geopolitical tensions continue to provide support, with the US weighing responses to Iran's crackdown on protests and escalating global political risks. The Japanese yen weakened beyond 159 per dollar on Tuesday, its lowest level since mid-2024, driven by rising political uncertainty. Reports suggest Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi may dissolve parliament as early as next month, potentially paving the way for expansionary fiscal policies backed by strong public support. Markets remain divided over the timing of the Bank of Japan's next rate hike as recent economic data continues to send mixed signals. Euro held steady near the 1.165 level on Tuesday as markets assessed political risks surrounding the US Federal Reserve. Political pressure on the central bank has weighed on the dollar and provided a tailwind for the euro. Meanwhile, signs that the European Central Bank is nearing the end of its easing cycle may offer further support, with officials signaling rates are currently appropriate despite elevated geopolitical uncertainty.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.